I continue to learn. I continue to learn. I go to graduate school. I go to graduate school. I earn my master's degree. I earn my master's degree. I love to study. I love to study. I am curious. I am curious. I want to know more. I want to know more. I decide to pursue a Ph.D. I decide to pursue a Ph.D. I attend advanced classes. I attend advanced classes. I work with professors. I work with professors. I research deeply. I research deeply. I write a dissertation. I write a dissertation. I defend my thesis. I defend my thesis. I become a doctor. I become a doctor. I receive my Ph.D. I receive my Ph.D. I wear a cap and gown. I wear a cap and gown. I celebrate with family and friends. I celebrate with family and friends. I am proud of my achievement. I am proud of my achievement. I am a doctor now. I am a doctor now. I can teach. I can teach. I can research. I can research. I can make a difference. I can make a difference. I reach my goals. I reach my goals. I continue to learn and grow. I continue to learn and grow. I'm excited about my future. I'm excited about my future. A Ph.D. is my dream. A Ph.D. is my dream.